Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Bloodstrike game for free. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you have logged into your account, you will end up within the store page. From here, click on the search box and now type in Bloodstrike to begin your search. Once you find the Bloodstrike game, you can just click on it and this will take you into the game page. Here you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library or the Play Game button. This will then add the game to your Steam library. You can now click on the Play option and this will open up the installer. Just choose your install directory and click on the Install button, and once you accept the terms and conditions, the download and installation will begin. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done, you can open the game from your desktop shortcut or the Steam application. And now you can start enjoying the Bloodstrike game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bloodstrike PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.